There's something magical about a backyard fire pit, a glowing hearth that turns any ordinary evening into a moment of calm and connection. From rustic stone circles to sleek modern fire tables, the right fire pit can completely redefine the personality of your outdoor space. Imagine the soft crackle of wood, the gentle hum of conversation, and the amber light bouncing off the textures of stone, metal, and wood around you.
Rustic designs often start with natural materials, rough-cut stones, reclaimed wood benches, and hand-forged steel bowls. They feel timeless, organic, and deeply connected to nature. You might see one nestled beside a log cabin or surrounded by wild grasses, where the firelight flickers against uneven stones. But rustic doesn't mean outdated. A modern touch like clean-lined furniture or a geometric stone layout can bring balance. This fusion of rustic warmth and modern order is what makes the most captivating fire pit spaces stand out today. When planning, think about the seating first. Comfortable, well-placed seating transforms a fire pit from a decorative feature into a true gathering point. Adirondack chairs, stone benches, or even built-in curved sofas all change the mood. Rustic spaces favor texture, thick cushions and earthy tones, lanterns hanging from wooden beams, and a gravel floor that crunches lightly beneath your feet. The modern approach replaces bulk with simplicity, low sofas, smooth concrete surfaces, and hidden lighting built into the floor or walls. Whether you lean rustic or modern, remember that every design should invite people closer, not just to the fire, but to each other. The secret is restraint. Let the fire be the statement, while the setting supports it. A well-designed modern fire pit invites calm, evening gatherings, the kind where you can sit in silence, watching the flames trace elegant patterns against the night air. Modern fire pit design thrives on geometry and precision. You'll often find square or linear gas fire tables that create a strong focal line, especially in contemporary patios, with minimalist layouts. Picture a long flame flickering through a narrow slit of polished stone, surrounded by low modular sofas in neutral shades. The effect is clean, calm, and sophisticated. Materials like concrete, glass, and brushed metal dominate modern designs, each reflecting the light differently as night falls. Glass wind guards create elegance and functionality, allowing the flame to dance undisturbed. For color, think monochrome, grays, blacks, whites, accented with warm light or greenery. Modern design also celebrates space. A slightly elevated or sunken fire zone defines boundaries, without walls. Built-in seating around a square pit looks intentional and architectural. You can even integrate a fire feature beside a pool or water wall to create contrast between fire and reflection. Rustic modern hybrids are becoming especially popular, a stone-clad base, holding a sleek gas burner, or a concrete fire table, surrounded by wooden decks. This blend of materials delivers warmth with sophistication. Add subtle lighting under the benches or along the pathways.